You're listening to leadai.dev, your daily updates on AI development. Today's topic is Cloudflare Shared Dictionaries, Enhancing Web Compression for 2026. Here's a quick overview. Cloudflare's new shared dictionaries enhance web compression, resulting in faster page load times and improved user experience. Now, let's ask our analyst about these developments. What's new? Shared compression dictionaries?
Cloudflare has announced its support for shared compression dictionaries, a significant advancement in web performance technology. This feature, which is currently in beta, allows different web resources to utilize common dictionaries for compression, leading to reduced data transfer sizes and enhanced page load times. The introduction of shared dictionaries is set to transform how developers implement compression strategies, ensuring that user experiences are faster and more efficient. With the agentic web's increasing demands, this feature comes at a crucial time, enabling websites to handle more complex interactions without compromising performance. The technical essence of shared dictionaries lies in their ability to allow multiple resources to share a common dictionary, which optimally compresses data. This approach minimizes redundancy in data transfer, particularly for similar resources, such as images, scripts, or style sheets that often share identical content. By utilizing these shared dictionaries, developers can expect significant reductions in bandwidth usage, which not only speeds up loading times, but also enhances the overall efficiency of web applications. The implementation of this feature will be available for testing, allowing developers to experiment with the benefits firsthand. Previously, developers relied on individual dictionaries for each resource, which often led to inefficiencies and larger file sizes. The transition to shared dictionaries represents a paradigm shift in how compression is approached in web development. With the new system in place, resources can leverage a centralized dictionary, streamlining the compression process and improving load times significantly. This enhancement positions Cloudflare as a leader in web performance optimization, especially as more sites adapt to the demands of modern web applications. Allows multiple resources to utilize a common compression dictionary. Reduces data transfer sizes, leading to faster page load times. Minimizes redundancy in data transfer for similar resources. Available for beta testing to developers. Enhances overall web application efficiency.
Thank you for that analysis. Let's move on. Who benefits from shared compression dictionaries?
The primary beneficiaries of Cloudflare's shared compression dictionaries are web developers and teams responsible for website performance. For developers managing high traffic sites, the ability to streamline data transfer and optimize load times can lead to significant improvements in user engagement and satisfaction. Additionally, teams operating e commerce websites or content heavy platforms will find that the reduction in data size can translate into lower hosting costs and enhanced user experiences, making it a vital tool in their optimization arsenal. Secondary audiences include digital marketers and SEO specialists who rely on page load times as a critical factor in search engine rankings. By leveraging shared dictionaries, these professionals can ensure that their websites are optimized for performance, potentially leading to improved organic traffic and conversion rates. Furthermore, businesses utilizing web applications for real time interactions, such as chat services or interactive dashboards, will experience smoother user experiences and more responsive interfaces as a result of this compression enhancement. However, not every organization may need to adopt this feature immediately. Smaller sites or those with minimal traffic may not see significant benefits from shared dictionaries and could choose to wait until the feature matures further. By adopting a wait and see approach, these organizations can evaluate the performance improvements reported by others before implementing the technology themselves. Web developers managing high traffic sites benefit most from this feature. E commerce platforms can reduce hosting costs through optimized data transfer. Digital marketers can improve SEO rankings with faster load times. Real time interaction services will see enhanced user experience. Smaller sites might consider waiting for more feedback before adoption.
Great insight, really helpful context. How to get started. Step by step.
To get started with Cloudflare's shared compression dictionaries, developers must first ensure they have a compatible Cloudflare account and that their website is configured to use Cloudflare CDN services. Preparation involves understanding the current compression methods in use and evaluating how shared dictionaries can be integrated into existing workflows. This foundational knowledge will set the stage for successful implementation. 1. Sign up for a Cloudflare account if you haven't already. 2. Navigate to the dashboard and select your website. 3. Enable the shared compression dictionaries feature from the performance settings. 4. Configure the specific resources that will utilize shared dictionaries, such as images, scripts, and style sheets. 5. Test the implementation by reviewing compression rates and page load times through analytics tools. 6. Adjust configurations as necessary based on performance metrics and user feedback. Common configuration options include selecting which resources to compress, setting thresholds for when compression should be applied, and monitoring the performance impact over time. After setting everything up, it is crucial to verify that the shared dictionary feature is functioning correctly. This can be done by conducting speed tests and analyzing the data transfer sizes before and after the implementation. Regular monitoring will help ensure that the feature continues to provide the expected performance benefits. Ensure you have a Cloudflare account and compatible configuration. Enable shared compression dictionaries in the performance settings. Select specific resources for shared dictionary utilization. Test implementation with analytics tools for performance monitoring. Regularly verify and adjust settings based on user feedback.
That's a very interesting point. Tell us about competitive context, how this changes the landscape.
In the landscape of web performance optimization, Cloudflare's shared compression dictionaries present a competitive edge over traditional compression methods. Comparatively, other CDNs may still rely on individual dictionaries for each resource, leading to inefficiencies and increased load times. Shared dictionaries allow for a more collaborative approach to compression, which can significantly enhance the end user experience and boost site performance. One of the specific advantages of Cloudflare's approach is the reduction in bandwidth usage. By sharing dictionaries among resources, websites can ensure that common data does not get redundantly transferred, effectively streamlining data flow. This not only helps in faster load times, but also reduces costs associated with bandwidth overages, making it financially beneficial for organizations with high traffic volumes. However, there are limitations to consider. The effectiveness of shared dictionaries may vary depending on the specific content and structure of a website. Sites with highly diverse content may not see significant savings, while those with repetitive elements will benefit most. This means that while Cloudflare sets a new standard, organizations must evaluate their own content strategies to fully take advantage of this feature. Cloudflare's method offers a collaborative approach to compression, significant reduction in bandwidth usage compared to traditional methods, boosts site performance through streamlined data flow, financially advantageous for high traffic organizations. Effectiveness may vary based on content diversity.
Good analysis. Let's continue. What's next? Future implications?
Looking ahead, the integration of shared dictionaries into Cloudflare's offerings suggests a roadmap that prioritizes continuous improvement in web performance technologies. Future updates may include enhanced automation tools that leverage AI to predict and optimize compression strategies based on user behavior and site traffic patterns. This evolution could further streamline web performance, enabling developers to focus on creating engaging content rather than managing complex compression settings. The integration ecosystem for shared dictionaries is expected to expand with potential partnerships and collaborations that enhance the feature's capabilities. As more developers adopt this technology, the data collected could lead to insights and best practices that inform future iterations of the feature, ensuring that it remains relevant and effective in an ever-changing digital landscape. Assessing the forward-looking implications, organizations will need to stay informed about advancements in compression technologies. As competitors respond to Cloudflare's innovations, it will be crucial for developers to evaluate how these changes impact their strategies and to adapt accordingly. The future of web optimization will likely revolve around collaborative technologies that prioritize efficiency and user experience. Roadmap includes AI-driven tools for predictive compression strategies. Potential partnerships will enhance shared dictionary capabilities. Data insights will inform future iterations of the feature. Organizations must stay informed about advancements in compression. Adapting to changes will be crucial for effective web optimization.
Great analysis. So, what are the key takeaways from all of this?
Implement shared dictionaries for optimized data transfer on high traffic sites. Evaluate current workflows to integrate shared compression efficiently. Monitor performance metrics regularly to adjust configurations as needed. Stay informed about competitive advancements to adapt strategies.
And what market signals should our listeners watch for?
Growing demand for web optimization. As web applications become more complex, the demand for optimized performance increases. Businesses are looking for innovative solutions to enhance user experiences and ensure fast load times. Increased focus on cost efficiency. With rising bandwidth costs, organizations are seeking strategies to optimize data transfer. Shared dictionaries can help reduce expenses associated with high traffic volumes while improving performance. Competitive landscape shifting. Cloudflare's introduction of shared dictionaries is prompting competitors to enhance their compression strategies. As the market responds, developers must evaluate new options to maintain a competitive edge.
What should developers and operators do with this information?
Evaluate your current compression methods and determine if shared dictionaries can enhance efficiency. Consider implementing shared dictionaries in a beta environment to assess performance improvements before a full rollout. Monitor user feedback and performance metrics closely during the beta phase to make necessary adjustments. Prepare a comprehensive review of the feature's impact on your web performance strategy within 3 months of implementation.
Thank you for listening to leadai.dev. Stay tuned for our next daily updates in this rapidly emerging market.